What's up, frigate chasers? In this episode, we pick up where we left off back in Marathon, Florida, catching those big Mahi fish on our 2019 summer trip. Fair warning, we are not professionals, just a group of friends learning and loving the ocean.
The score is all tied up 7-7. Shannon got that one that was borderline keepable. He decided to put it back a little on the small side, so it's a tough call, but he made the right call by putting it back, so
You have to measure, throw it back.
and then they each got a keeper, so 5 points each there. We're tied up on Key's portion of the tournament, 7-7. Stay with us for more action. Yeah! I don't think he's big enough.
Illegal.
Yeah!
Watch the lines, okay? Alright, here, let's go run back over and we got 3 lines.
Score update.
Well, I just pulled another cow in, so now I have 12 and Shannon has 7, but we're gonna go back over the school, so he's probably gonna catch it.
Right here's where they were hitting a second ago.
You got on top of it, on the ground.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, he's legal.
Come on, die there.
Come on, Sarah.
Hey, what's the point?
12.
Tied up 12-12. Sarah just hooked up again though. Let's see if she can pull it in. Widen that gap. Well, no gap, but you know, take the lead. How long were we dragging that one?
I think you actually kept seeing jump out of the water.
That's probably what that bird's been following us for a while.
Yeah, Mary?
Look at you!
Very angry.
Oh, you probably legal.
It's totally legal, but now I have to fight it to the fish box, which
I'll do
went
it
so
just
well for me last
Bring it
time.
in, I'll do it.
17-12.
Yes, 17.
Ah, it might not hurt. It's on the button. Oh, it looks like you got a little size to it. Maybe not. No, not at all. I literally just bring this up and put it out. You get us a new bait out, you have to open that next bag. Right, Grant.
But we are where we are. We've got it tied on both sides at the moment.
All right, go ahead and start looping us around if you can. Now you turn.
Are you done throwing your fit?
You may have to loop the other way. Okay. Once you get up the middle, I'll punch the other one back out. And then pull the
Got
other
one on over here, on over here.
Over here, baby. Wait, I think both of them are on.
Close that a little bit, Grant.
Straight up getting it tripled up style. Are you on your left hand too?
No, I'm just bringing it out of the way.
Oh.
Pretty much guaranteed if you throw those birds, you're gonna hit. This time we go. Alright, set him in the deck there. Can you pull down the line for me?
We were doubled up again, really doing it.
Slow down. A little bit more, bro. Might have to go back on to him.
That one looks tight. That one looks a little small there. Yeah.
I don't think he's legal. So.
Never mind, I think I'm around it.
18, 17.
Yeah, because I got one that wasn't a keeper.
Stowers is winning 18. No, you have.
I'm
18.
winning 18. He's got 17, but he's pulling in something that's probably a keeper.
Yep. Plus, we need to add inches.
No, that's not part of it.
It should be.
Keeper though. Yeah.
Be close.
Yeah.
Alright. Go bull though. Nope.
Nah.
So it's 18 to 18.
What is it? Tell me again.
It's 18 to 18 because his wasn't a keeper either.
What up? Yep, so currently we have 6 mahi in the box. We've released 3 or 4. So that's a good day so far. We're loving it. It's awesome. We got some more birds up here.
Yep.
And it sounds like Captain is on.
I keep it as straight as possible, Grant.
Yep.
There you go. Alright, slow it down a little bit, Grant. Because there were fewer fouls, so.
Doubled up my fish.
Mine came off.
Right in the engine. Ah, these broke off. Alright, what are we going to do? Let's keep my fishing, we'll go to the reef.
We're about ready to hit some more right here.
Alright, anyway. Try to stay on this side because the other one out. Don't slow down yet though, Grant, because there's more back there.
Get some, girl. Get it.
Not bad. Alright, we got one line out. Let's get back on those birds.
This is my fish.
Oh! I was trying to get it over, Sarah. It's not like I was doing it on purpose.
I still get 5 points.
Yeah. 5 points. I was trying to get it over the
I-
shuttle. You can't control when they bounce and jump.
That's it. That was in the boat.
Yeah. I got the leader anyway. Will you pull that and drag that? Sorry, baby. He jumped and I tried to get him.
Give me an update, girl.
Shannon lost my fish.
Loud.
He was trying to get it off the hook and it like bounced out of the boat. And it was a big fish and I fought very hard to get it. But I still get the 5 points. So it is now 23 to 18.
The record, Shannon. Didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, it was an accident.
It's an accident. I was trying. It didn't look that big in the water. Had I known it was that big, I would use the gas.
2 days later.
Alright, so yeah, last day in the Keys. We decided trolling is about the only thing we've had any luck with on this trip, so gonna try to go out with a bang. Got the captain rigging us up. Got his mate doing other stuff. I don't even know, but she's moving stuff. Sarah, what's the score?
I am still currently in the lead. It is 24-19, so we're just one keeper fish away. And as competitive as I am, I feel bad for the captain, and I think he should catch some fish. I mean, still want to win.
He does. I'd like to see him catch something really big today.
But we're not doing over inches scoring, so it's 5 flat.
We got a mix. We got purple and black with white. We got a orange, yellow, and green. We got these 2 root beers that the bait shop claims is the hitters. However, yesterday or the other day when we went trolling, we hit on every color we had out. Today, the Gulf Stream has moved in substantially, only about 15 miles south of Sombrero, and we're about 5 miles from it at the moment. So we're going to start a little shy of it, probably get up to it, troll with it, maybe work our way up to the Marathon Humps, see if we can catch some tuna.
Captain Man's on! Check it out! You letting it go?
He's not big enough.
You didn't even go measure?
Nah. Yeah, a little bit, not too much. Got something bigger than a Mahi on there. Run slow, try a little more, Grant. Did you gain him on it all?
Yeah. I agree. You guys saw yours jump.
Yeah, we're doubled up.
Mine is so not happy. It's angry.
Alright, get it just going or just going forward, Grant. Can you throw a belt on me, bro?
Angry strong fish.
Maybe do this. Maybe you can be our gap man, Grant.
Yep, I can do it.
I think we both have decent fish on here.
I officially hate this fish.
Do me one quick favor, buddy.
Doubled up. What's up?
Good one there. Yeah, get that gap ready.
Yeah.
Nice, Mahi, there.
Are you gonna need it on your side?
Yeah, it's probably is.
Oh shit, you got a good one.
I know.
Yeah, he looks gaffable.
That is a gapper for sure. You ready, gap man? Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, there's Mahi right there.
Massive.
Woo!
Look at that guy.
Sorry,
That
dude.
gap clear. Sarah's gonna need it too.
Sorry, dude. Uh-oh.
Good gap job, Grant. Right in the head. What's not doing? Look at that guy.
Oh, I feel terrible now.
Just slow down, Sarah. Get your rod out, you know. Let's try to turn it to you so that lets it come in towards you a little bit easier.
You're doing great, sir. Doing great.
Oh, another line. Come on, you big.
Somebody get this fucking fish.
Keep it coming.
Don't break the rod.
Walk up. Turn me side.
Hold on the way. in the front of the boat.
Okay.
In the boat. Two very nice mahi. Hey, open your dress. Open your dress. Bail it out.
I did.
There you go. Hey, don't get it. Alright. We need to reel the other one in. Now we're fixing it. Here. Another problem. Yeah, boat. Alright, just go ahead and set that in. Alright, let me get these guys unhooked.
Talk to me.
I just landed my biggest mahi.
Career?
Career biggest. Sarah got a pretty good one too. Nice little cow. Look at him. Starting to lose color already.
Mine came from further out, so.
Yeah, she was on the shotgun, which she put way out, so she had quite a fight ahead of her.
That was a really hard fish to pull in. My arm feels a little numb. But Shannon's is bigger, which is pissing me off.
Too bad we didn't go for that inch rule, huh?
No, I'm really glad.
No,
we did.
she's happy at the moment.
No, it's a good looking. Mine's a good looking fish. It's just Shannon's is like ate it for dinner sometime. So.
If Shannon's wasn't laying there, yours would be the biggest of the trip.
It would, but and it came from the shotgun, which meant I had to pull and pull and pull and pull and pull. And as much as my guns are impressive,
There's a big school through there because I saw the other one get hit a couple times.
Very impressive. Shannon solo shot.
Sarah ended up winning the marathon portion of the trip with a final score of 30 to 26. Not bad, guys.
We're not even done, kids. We're just getting started.
We have one more Summer Trip 2019 video coming your way, and then we'll be headed to the Dry Tortugas for a 2020 trip.
Yay, Sarah!
Yay!
And then here's for your, because I know you like them vertical.
Subscribe for more, and if you have made it this far, you may as well give the video a big thumbs up. We will be doing a remake of our Bimini Crossing video soon, so stay tuned for that, as well as a how-to video on how we crossed over to the Dry Tortugas. And also plenty of videos for our new boat, the McGregor 26, headed your way very soon.
This is my prize.
Sarah was the official trophy winner of the Bimini Keys trip, and her trophy just arrived. So we're gonna open it, even though I'm not sure it's well deserved, and we're gonna see what she got.
I know I deserve this. So I won. Although I don't know what it is. I'm a little nervous. But this is Sarah. And I have an H on the end of my name, bitch.
But H's are ew. What is it? Let's see. Let's see the trophy. Trout Mouth Keys Cup 2019. Show the world.
Can I see? Can I see, Mommy?
What do you say?
You know what? I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm proud of it.
Mommy,
I knew it'd say trout mouth on it, you asshole.
where's the box, Mommy?
Well played, Mr. Grant. Well played. The Trout Mouth Keys Cup right there in 2019. Let's see if she can repeat in 2020.
Oh, I will. Kick some ass. And we're going to negotiate beforehand what trophies look like.
There's no negotiations.
Yes. Where did you even find this?
Oh, can I have that?
Frigate out.